25 years ago, I had to read 6 to 8 books trying to identify structures in the dissection. Later, I realized that it was indeed about learning concepts. Hi students, I am Dr. Tejasvi, your anatomy faculty. We have put together anatomy content based on the UG curriculum prescribed by the NMC's CBME curriculum. This contains about 80 plus lecture videos with wonderful animations that make even the toughest concepts of anatomy very simple. We have 100 plus dissection videos. We have about 70 plus histology slide discussions. In order to face your anatomy viva exams, we have more than 40 embryology model discussions, plain x-rays and contrast x-ray discussions, surface anatomy demonstrations and bone or osteology demonstration. In addition to all of this, we also have a curated question bank that is prepared in line with the new guidelines for your CBME exams. And the best part, I will guide and mentor you throughout the year, teaching you the tricks and the tips to ace your anatomy exams. Subscribe now.